In this video, we'll talk about the Multimedia Science Planet Rocket game. In this game, we're going to make believe that you are stranded on an unknown planet, one of the planets in the solar system, and you need to figure out which planet that you are on. There are 4 levels, each one of increasing difficulty. Let's look at level 1. Okay, here's your rocket. Here are a number of input values, and then these are a number of calculated values. First of all, you need to give yourself enough rocket thrust. It doesn't matter how much, but enough to get your rocket off of the ground. And then you can start and stop your rocket and see the calculated variables. In this case, it's just the total weight, which hopefully you can see is very simple to figure out what the acceleration is, and each planet, of course, has its own particular acceleration of gravity, which you can see from the planet data table. And then you have to guess, well, let's see, which acceleration is it? Oops, well, didn't get that one right. Again, guessing with 8 possible examples is not a great way to go. So you can either restart this game, or you can go on to level 2 and 3 or 4. Let's look at level 3. Here again, same process. We're going to give it enough thrust, and you can start and stop. In this case, it's the time and the velocity. So if you take a couple times and take a couple velocities, you should be able to come up with the acceleration. Again, got to guess the correct answer. Well, that was a good guess since I didn't do the calculations. Again, planet data, so you can figure out from the acceleration which planet you're on. There's also a doc file that's included that has an example of solutions. As you can see, each of the calculations will be different because you're setting a different thrust for your rocket. There's also a high score screen so that students can keep track of who got the highest scores. Here is the Word instructor file, which shows you each of the 4 problems and a sample solution. If you're interested in finding more information on the Planet Rocket game or any other multimedia science materials, chemistry and physics simulations, labs, games, challenges, and also teacher tool software, please go to Teachers Pay Teachers at this URL. Thanks for watching.